I think the first thing that I have to say is that they've really improved in terms of ride and handling, in terms of comfort levels and NVH.
The new Hilux has matured into a very well-rounded machine. It's no longer, by definition, a hardcore workhorse.
What Toyota have done is quite incredible. They've turned a pickup truck, which was usually last time only used for construction sites and commercial purposes, and moved it to the next level. They turned it into like a luxury SUV.
Bukan saja ada package rupa luaran, tetapi pada masa sama dia punya ciri safety, Toyota Safety Sense itu melengkapkan lagi sebuah kereta walaupun dia dikenali sebagai truck pickup.
Of course, the new safety system is great for pickup truck. So it's actually all the safety system combined to give you not only a greater driving experience, but a more comfortable driving experience as well.
New Hilux drives very well. I'm surprised at the level of improvement that we saw in the car. First thing that I noticed was the improved comfort levels. Right out from Shah Alam's, we felt that this new Hilux was quieter, more comfortable on the move. We observed that on speed bumps, there was no bounce on the rear.
Kalau ikutkan, tak kisahlah sama ada kita berada di jalan kampung ataupun lalu bukit maupun kita berada di laluan highway, apa yang kita nak dia boleh berikan. Maksudnya kita tekan saja pedal memang dia boleh pergilah.
In terms of power, 500 Newton meters of torque, 204 for the start of power coming from the engine going to the rear wheels. What they have done is made it a little bit more linear, a little bit more easy to live with. The acceleration arc is very smooth.
I think I like some of the touches. It does look tough, rugged.
It looks elegant, it looks slightly sporty, but very stylish. So yeah, kudos to the design. I like it.